All right, moving on to our next recipe, and Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles is standing by, and I think she's doing some sort of cracker using NFM's crack wheat flour. Let's check out what Chef Cheryl is up to.
Hi everybody. So today we're going to be using cheese along with good and natural cracked wheat flour from National Flour Mills. And I'm going to do a cheese pimento shortbread cracker. And it's very simple, and we're going to use our trusted friend, the food processor. So here I already have the cheese. I have two cheeses here. I have feta and Parmesan cheese. We have pimento, butter. In here, I have cornstarch, mustard powder, salt and black pepper. And of course, our good and natural cracked wheat flour. So here we go. We're going to put all of these things in our food processor. We're going to put our cheese. So I have 2 cups of cheese here. I did 1 cup Parmesan and 1 cup feta. Our pimento, black pepper, salt, cornstarch, and our flour. We put in 1.5 cup of flour in our mix. That's it. And we're going to pulse this until it becomes crumbly. So it's combined. We add our cold butter. You must make sure that the butter is cold to add into your mix. Right, so you see how you're getting a nice crumble effect there. So now once we've reached this stage, we just take it down and just tilt it and show you a little bit. See, once you see how crumbly it is, once you've reached that crumbly stage, you want to then slowly add your water. We have about 5 tablespoons of water here. So I'm going to put it on low and add the water. And here we see it's come together nicely. This is what we want. We don't want a too soft dough. We just want it to hold together. Now the next step is this needs to be chilled for about 1 hour. So I'm going to cling it into a log, and I have a piece of cling wrap on my cutting board, and I'm going to put my mix onto it. It smells good already, right? You can use the cling to sort of start to form it into your log. I'm feeling like I could eat this mix just by itself. Okay. You can just give it a little roll. There we go. And there we have our log. And I'm going to put it in the fridge for 1 hour. Okay, so our shortbread cracker has been chilled for about an hour, and I also preheated my oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to unroll it. And we're going to cut it into rounds. It's going to bake in the oven for about 15 minutes until the edges turn brown. Now you can enjoy these by themselves, or you can add anything else to it. So we're going to put it in the oven. Again, as I said, it's going to bake for about 15 minutes until the edges starts to turn a nice golden brown, and then you remove it from the oven. Here we have them, nice golden brown, and I wish you can smell them. With the cheese in them and the pimento in them, oh my gosh, they smell heavenly. So you're gonna want to let them just cool a little on the tray. Then remove them, put them on your cooling rack to cool, and enjoy. But they smell it, I'm telling you, it's smelling so good that I feel that I'm going to eat them hot, just like this. Again, you can have them with anything you so choose, or by themselves. I think I'm going to try one hot. Let's see. Oh my gosh, they are delicious. Now the nice thing about it is, if you don't like feta, you don't have to use feta. You can use whichever cheese you choose to use. You can use straight cheddar, you can use blue cheese if you have blue cheese. Whichever cheese you choose, you can put in your cheese pimento shortbread crackers and enjoy.
Home Sweet Home is brought to you by Good and Natural.